We are proud to announce yet another exceptional product from the house of VB Ceramic Consultants, Chennai, India. VBCC is an ISO certified company and all its products are CE qualified. Here is an equipment that meets international standards and specifications. The accuracy of the equipment to the set value is unbelievable. Our prices are nationally competitive, but the quality is at par with the best in the world. Rugged and long lasting, our equipments are user friendly and based on state of the art technology and fabricated with the best components available anywhere in the world. Its design features are world class, making it ideal for high quality research and developmental work. Our working philosophy makes every one of our products a one time investment wonder. At VBCC, we believe in teamwork, excellent customer support at every stage from installation to after sales service is our standout forte. Should we tell you more, our customer satisfaction is vindicated by more than 10,000 installations we have made in India. Ask a VBCC customer and you are sure to turn all eyes on our products.